Yun.
Parang seryoso. Good afternoon. Seryoso talaga dahil may result na tayo. Okay. Actually, hindi ko pa binasa. Nakita ko lang may notification. But I always like to do this. Bali, I wanna know nung time na bago ako mag-open ng result, may correspondence eh. Usually, kapag ka-approve, sabi nila passport request. Pero, since ikaw, hindi ka naman magpa-passport request, so kailangan correspondence ang sasabihin doon kung ano yung nandun. Ganun yun. Okay, let me see. Nyamatan! Okay, may katinga tourist visa, di ba? Kaano ka ngayon mayon?
February 2 ang nagapod February 2 mo ilan nakadanon dito mo.
Tapos iti set up kat malagip ko, di ba? Housekeeper dapat?
When?
O tapos nakita nga nagadado ti baka sakali, tama?
Oo.
Tapos nag-change tayo.
When, ma'am?
Okay, tapos nag-change tayo sa nani, di ba? By taking a chance. Yeah.
Kasi tano diretsyon.
Yeah, tano diretsyon na PR, di ba? Tama yun. Yeah, kasi nga in terms of immigration naman kasi we have to take a chance. Ganun 'yon. We always have to take a chance. Hold on. I'm almost there. I just wanted to log in. I just came. Okay.
Nagapo ka Jerwar, ma'am?
Yeah, nakita yung notification kasi sabi ko, naku, may result na. Ituloy ako na madandanagan. Ano ba yan? Paano ba yan pagka-refuse? Anong gagawin natin?
Kasi ano ba, ma'am? Nakasjay?
No refuse, wala tayong magagawa. We have to reapply kapag valid pa yung LMIA.
Umabot no kasjay, ma'am.
I don't know. I have to check digi ko LMIA no dapat ti status mo.
Nga na April sa dajay mo.
Okay, so dapat ti time tayo. Okay, sandali. Nalipata ko yung apelyido mo. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to read now. A final decision has been made. Please see the final decision below. So, nakikita ko dito correspondence. So, we applied on November 13, 2024. Submission, of course, November 13, 2024. And then, nag-request sila. I believe, biometric yung request nila, ano? Malala mo? Tapos, hindi, nagpabayad sila ng biometric fee. Bakit ganun? Nagpabayad sila ng biometric fee? Hindi ka ba nag-biometric dati?
Nagkasjayat ka DJ Pilipinas, man.
Okay, pinabiometric ka ulitan niya, but who cares? $85 lang naman. So we did, we paid. Then nagkaroon ka natapos mo yung biometric November 25. So you applied November 13. Now February 7, 2025 yung result. November, December, January, ilang buwan lang? Naalala mo nung nag-change yung rule na hindi na pwede ang tourist visa sa mga hindi na pwedeng mag-work mag-apply ng work permit ang mga tourist visa holders. Naalala mo 'yon?
Well, ma'am, di ba? Padistyana.
Nag-stayan ka. Ano ba yun, Jayla? Hindi eh. Ang sabi doon na hindi na pwede kasi that was tapos hindi na pwede ang mga work permit holder na mag-apply. So kaya ang ginawa ko, yun yung lagi ko ina-advise. We can apply inside Canada, application for work permit made outside Canada, pero inside Canada, nandito ka sa inside Canada, but process outside. Di tama ako. Galing-galing ko talaga. My God. Hi! Okay, tama tayo yung ginawa.
Wadi advertisement, ma'am, di ba?
Aglamlam. Aglamlam yung saka mo. Okay. Okay, now I click. Okay, let's correspondence. Let's see. Oh my God, madanagan aksamo ta. Okay. Your application, work in Canada, has been initially approved. My God. Ipa-clarify mo pa sa akin. So, congratulations!
Thank you. Alam mo, ma'am, kung siguro, reviewan na ni Ma'am Norilinda, no na nga ibaga kanya, nga negative, kung kuna.
Oh my God, you know what? This is our instinct. That's what I always say. There is no rule that is cut and dry in immigration. There's always in between. I'm sure your employer will gonna be so proud of us. Kasi nga,
Well,
it's a
ma'am.
teamwork. They trusted me, and then they just do whatever I told you guys. And then, nung sinabi nyo, I do also your direction. Kasi ayoko rin namang mag-lead. I give you all this option.
Well, ma'am.
I give you all this non-sugar-coated advice, and then you entrusted me. Gawin ko na to, sabi nyo. Then, ginawa ko. Now, we did it well. Gera, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much,
Oh
ma'am.
my God.
Kala ko talaga no ko aglamlami is talaga di. Ma'am, jag paspasmado, ma'am, jag tugtugbog ti sa
Ulit naman. So, ibig sabihin yan, pwede ka ng tawag dito, o pwede ka ng mag-work. But anyway, basahin ko lang kasi nga this application was an application made outside Canada, and also the second thing is that pag na-approvean, ito yung rule, hindi, sabi doon, bring this letter, sabi niya dito, kasi may, nag-apply ka inside Canada, but it was processed sa Pilipinas. Hindi kagaya nung mga na inside Canada before the restriction na hindi na pwedeng mag-apply ng work permit ang mga tourist visa holder. Before, you will receive it by mail. But now, this one, ang sabi dito, bring this letter, itong letter na binabasa natin ngayon,
Yes,
with
ma'am.
you to Canada. Sabi niya, kasi nasa labas ka nga sa Canada. It has information that may be used by the Canada Border Service Agency to issue your work permit. So, hindi yan email. But approve ka na sa totoo lang. So, we're good. So, sabi dito, application to work is initially approved by IRCC. The final decision to issue you a work permit and allow you to enter Canada is made after the examination by an officer in Canada. At that time, an officer will assess regulation and any other Canadian legislation. Who cares about that? What matters is that approved ka na. Okay, so what you are going to do, ang sabi dito, you must bring with you etong letter na to get your work permit. Number 1, valid passport or travel document. Dapat valid pa yung passport mo, of course. A valid temporary resident permit. Kaya nga, I always say to everyone, it is very important to maintain your status as tourist visa holder inside Canada. So, kailangan mo yung ETA, valid document na pwede kang in and out ng Canada. Yeah. That's the one. And then you go to go doon sa border
Service
or
Ontario?
dito hindi sa Service Ontario, sa Border Service Agency, which is pinakamalapit is alam mo yung sa US or New York, kasi nandito tayo sa Ontario, doon sa US or New York border. Pakita mo tong letter na to, original passport yun. So what can you say?
Rainbow Bridge di
Yes,
ma'am?
yes. So what can you say, Jera?
thank you.
Hold on. I
you
wanna
so
take this
much,
opportunity. I own this. What can you say about me?
Oh,
Hindi ito scripted. Just tell me yung honest na na-experience mo sa akin.
Pasalamat ma'am ta nakita ka ayan ti TikTok, di ba?
Yeah.
Naalala mo aja ma'am,
Yeah.
bago na kay may toy mabuy-buya kan ti TikTok gamin. Iso nga ako nakat adatin na amok idi nga consultant kan ngam kasla amom jadi instinct mo ngay nga agkita ka pa iti sa Bali sa kasjay ngay kasla mo di na love at first sight so
Okay, fine.
kasi di nagtiwala kan ngay nga never mo na meet before kasi jay
Thank you.
nakatransact mo lang dito
Thank
yun
you.
ma'am kasay
Yeah.
pero idi first time mo nga nakatransact ka ma'am kasi mabuy-buya ka from the previous amok mo't ma'am nga very true ka mo't nga talaga
Very
kun
true ha. Hindi peke, ano?
nalaing ka
Thank you. Thank you sa trust, Ading.
Well,
I really appreciate it.
thank you mat
Yeah.
panagkum kanya ma'am ti digijay nga di ba nag-advise ka iti nga kastoy